Back with another video on the WRX. Got some winter rims and tires for it. Just picked them up today. Got a pretty good deal on them. 150 bucks. I'm gonna pull these out, get a better look at them. Got them all out. Pretty good shape. There's a couple little dings and scratches, but what do you want for 150 bucks? Not bad. First thing I gotta do is loosen all the lug nuts up and then jack the car up and swap them out. The difference between these two is pretty crazy. And these are 18-inch, 245/40, 18, and these here are 235/45, 17s. But you put them next to each other, it's a pretty big difference, even just on the height. Probably like an inch or so taller with the original ones. Alright, well, let's get the winters on. Not too bad. Definitely a lot smaller, but it'll do for the winter. Onto the front. Pretty crazy how just new rims can change the look of the car quite a bit. I don't love them, but they'll do good for the winter. They were cheap. Well, on to the other side. Well, I don't think NASCAR will be calling anytime soon, but in real time, this side took 5 minutes to take the old ones off and put the new ones on. I don't think that's too bad. I just gotta go around and torque everything up, and we'll be done. Ready for snow, which could come anytime here in New Hampshire. But well, I think that's all we have for today. New wheels are done. Clean all this up, put everything away, call it a day. Like, subscribe, There'll be more content coming. Everything I do to this car. I have another truck I'll introduce to the channel a little bit later.